far as the S&P goes. Did you guys do anything today? I sold my calls at the open, a little bit after the open. The open like actually sold off. Then we bounced. Where was the open at? Let's see, is this? No, that's later. Here's the open. Yeah, we had just touched this zone. I was like, yeah, I got rid of it. Looks like I probably could have held on. So the S&P did absolutely nothing today. You got just one, well, two technically, just zone to zone trades as far as that goes. I think bullish, but I also don't we have that? Hang on, I just closed out my windows. Don't we have news tomorrow? What's tomorrow? Friday? Not the unemployment, non-farm payrolls. So that's pre-market. That'll be most of our volatility. That'll probably be what we need to get above or below this zone. I'm not in puts yet, but I would not be surprised to see it reject. There's just been a decent sell wall right here. Hang out in the middle. We've done nothing this week. S&P again, same thing, but just the zones in reverse. Blue up top, yellow on the bottom. Playing the back and forth. This does look a little bit more bullish than the S&P. However, I probably wouldn't trade any futures on this right now. I would probably wait till after the bell tomorrow and see where we're at. If I had to, I would play the current trend. I would be long. I'd put my stop below this green candle right here, right below the hourly. And I would rather play this over the S&P. Grandpa Dow. Hmm. Man, even that. What a crapshoot. Not a real good setup. If you had to talk me into it, I would go long. It's just not a good one. Long and then the stop below today's this current candle. Today's candle though. Chop at the end of market. Yeah. Matt says I'm traveling tomorrow. Markets usually do some crazy move when I do. Well, send it. Russell, let's see if he's employed tomorrow. Same sell wall, just kind of hanging out right here. Man, I really don't know how anytime you're thinking like, oh, how would I trade this, and it takes that long, you're probably just forcing yourself to trade. I don't know what kind of move we're setting up for. Bigger picture, I guess. Nothing. Honestly, I think this is one of those times. If you're trading any of these three, maybe the NASDAQ, but sometimes it is just better to sit on your hands. And this just looks like that time for now. No, no real reason to be to be bearish. Overall, like bigger picture, we might be flattening out, but we're still kind of trending up. The thing that I think is making, I wonder if it's making people nervous yet, is here's last Sunday, here's the Sunday before that, and then we're coming into the weekend with. Yeah, so we going for the hat trick? Is it gonna be three in a row, or do we fool everybody and it sends it? I don't. I might be in the camp of go short over the weekend, just in case. I might grab a Monday's expiration, maybe a Tuesday expiration spy put at the money tomorrow, wherever we land. Provided tomorrow is a nothing day, maybe a little bit up. I wouldn't wait for a red day like this and then grab some puts over the weekend.